In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Canva and link to Google Forms and Sheets, 5 minutes. We'll start in Google Forms to build the form, connect it to a Google Sheet so responses are captured automatically, then embed that form into a Canva landing page and publish it as a simple website. By the end, you'll have a shareable page that collects data and logs it in a spreadsheet. First, open Google Forms while signed into your Google account. Create a new blank form or pick a template that matches your goal. Add your questions and choose the right question types: short answer for names, email for contact details, multiple choice, or checkboxes for options. Use the required toggle to make sure you get essential information. And glance at settings if you want to collect email addresses or show a confirmation message. A quick theme tweak helps your form look polished. Change the header, colors, or font style to fit your brand. When your form is ready, click Send at the top, choose the link icon, and copy the URL. This is the link we'll embed on the landing page. If you like, you can shorten it in that same panel to keep things tidy. Next, connect your form to a Google Sheet so submissions are stored automatically. Go to the Responses tab, click the three dots menu, and select Open in Linked Sheet. This creates a new spreadsheet, or you can attach an existing one. Keep that sheet bookmarked so you can monitor responses later. Now switch to Canva, search for a landing page, and choose a template that suits your content. You're essentially designing a one-page site here. So think about a clear headline, a brief value statement, and where the form will sit. Edit the text, swap in your images, and adjust colors and fonts to match your brand. Keep the layout clean with plenty of space around your form area for readability. In the Canva editor, open the Apps panel on the left and search for Embed. Paste the Google Form link you copied and click Add to Design. You'll see a live interactive version of your form appear on the page. Resize and position the embedded form so it fits naturally within your layout. Make sure the full width is readable and that the submit button is clearly visible without excessive scrolling. When you're happy, click Share, choose Website, and pick the presentation style you prefer. Publish, copy the live link, and open it to test. Submit a quick test entry, then check your linked Google Sheet to confirm the data arrived. View the page on desktop and mobile, adjust spacing if needed, and you're done.